everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tuesday and I'm here to open Stitchfix number 101 with you. I'm excited to get into it, so let's do it. In case you are not familiar with Stitchfix, let me give you the quick rundown. It is a styling and shopping service that is curated with pieces selected just for you, and that's based on a style profile that you fill out, as well as some kind of magic that happens on their app where you play these kind of games where you tell them whether you like this or don't like that, and shop through their app or whatever. As they get to know you, then the pieces do get more curated for your style and what you like. The styling part of the program, which is what we'll be talking about today, includes them sending you 5 pieces to your door that you get to try on with the clothes you already own in the comfort of your own home, which is my favorite part. And then you keep what you like and you send back the rest. There is usually a $20 styling fee associated with this service, but if you keep anything from that box, that $20 does go towards your purchase. It's really easy to use. Shipping is free both ways. And I don't know, it's just a lot of fun to have things sent to you that you didn't have to go out and run around in your car for, spend hours at the mall for. It's good stuff. You should definitely give it a try. I have a link in my description box if you are so inclined. All right, let's get into the box. The first thing that I'm going to be showing you are the Marjorie printed wide leg pant by Boom Boom Jeans. They're calling the color cognac. It's a stripe, and they sent them to me in a large. I thought these pants were really comfortable. They're definitely long enough, so if you are on the petite side, be warned about that. Because of my shape, and just so you know, I am what I would consider to be an apple shaped, meaning I am round through the midsection, including thighs, tummy, bust, leaving me with not so much of a waistline. So I have kind of a rectangular shape and kind of wide in circumference. Even though I'm not a very large woman, I still am just very round. It's just the way it is. Anyways, so because of that, the wide elastic band on these just kind of accentuates my midsection, just makes it look rounder than it already is, which I don't really appreciate. But I did find it to be comfortable at least, and it did stay put, which is usually my problem with pants, where just because of where my weight hits on my body, a lot of pants just kind of slide under the curve of my tummy and then they're sliding off my body. This did stay put even through all my like dancing and moving around when I shot this video, and it was very, very comfortable. Like I said, I love the length on them. I love the weight of these as well. This is a great summer / fall pant, like as we transition into the fall. I think this would go really great with a beautiful bright top like the one I'm wearing in this video. The pink just makes that yellow pop. It's a nice contrast, but I would love to see it with like a blue or green or something else, anything that would contrast with this beautiful kind of mustard yellow here. I have worn pants by Boom Boom Jeans before, and again, similarly, they were very comfortable, and I did like them, although I don't have any in my collection that I have actually kept. The reason that I'm not going to be keeping this is just because I don't particularly like stripes on the bottom half of my body. I just feel like it's not my best look, but if you're into them, I would definitely recommend them. These are, let's see here, they're actually calling this brand 151. I don't know if there's been maybe a name change for the company, but the tag does say Boom Boom Jeans. Anyways, they are size large. They do run true to size, and they are $38, which I think is a great price. The next top I'm going to show you is by French Connection. It's the Millie sweater vest in a pink. They sent it to me in a size large. It is $88. French Connection is a brand that has been around for a long time. I have been in love with the brand for I don't know, since the 90s probably. It's just really high quality goods that are just, I don't know what I want to call them. They have a, I don't know, kind of an edgy, irreverent vibe to them, and I love that. Anyways, I thought this top was really cute. I love the color. It's just so great on my skin. I love even the fact that it's a little bit cropped because it hit me at just the right spot to help define the waist that I previously mentioned, is kind of missing these days. It has a little bit of a high-low hem on it, so even though it's a little more cropped in the front, it does fall a little bit further in the back, so it means gonna cover the back of your jeans just over the top there, so nothing's peeking out. Great neckline on it, even though it's a little bit of a crew. It comes up just high enough to be flattering on me. What I don't like about this top is how low it cuts underneath the arm. So then, my bra's hanging out all the time on the sides there. So definitely would have to find something to coordinate with this top if I wanted to wear it frequently. I don't know if this will shrink or not. Let me check on the materials right quick. This is 100% cotton, so it may shrink just a little bit. I would probably suggest, as they do, to hand wash it and dry flat so that you could reduce the shrinking on it. But I think this is really nice, and it's very, very well made. The stitching on it is fantastic. I love that. It has just a great fit to it. I was thinking whether I would want to size up on this, but I don't think so, because it does feel very comfortable through the bust. It's just that it, comes really low underneath the armpit. So yeah, I don't know. Super cute shirt though, but it is a little bit out of my budget right now, so I will not be keeping it. I will definitely be sending this back, but I love it, and if I had more cash to spend this month, I would definitely be keeping it. The next item are these denim cutoff shorts. These are by Just USA. These are the Willa Distressed Fray Hem Denim Short in a light blue. They sent them to me in a size 10. I love these shorts. I think they're so comfortable. They were gaping maybe just a little bit in the back, but not terribly so. They are 98% cotton, 2% stretch, which if you know me and my rules about denim, I like to have denim that has 2% stretch or less, so these qualify. I really like the rise on these, or not the rise, the inseam on these. I prefer a short that is a little bit shorter because of the way my body is shaped. It hits right kind of at the apex of the curvature of my thigh, so therefore giving me that kind of curvy look visually that I really want. If they were any longer, then I get back into that rectangular territory where then I'm trying to, create curves instead of just showing off the ones I already have. I love all the distressing on these. I love that the pockets kind of show through a little bit in them. This is just a really great summer short, something I would throw on almost every day. I have probably 3 or 4 different pairs of cutoff shorts, so I don't really need another pair, so I may not get this pair. But these are $44, which for the brand and the quality that this brand comes with, I think is a good price. And they do fit relatively true to size. Like I said, they're a little gappy at the back, but not terribly so. All that being said, I would probably send these back, although it will break my heart just a little bit. Next up is a top from PAPERMOON, which is a brand that I haven't had anything from in quite some time. In the early days, when I was getting Stitch Fixes, back kind of towards Stitch Fix numbers 1 through 20, I got a lot of PAPERMOON tops, and they held up so well over the years until I would either, have worn them out or outgrew the style of the top. This is kind of a, you can't really tell on camera, but I think it's like a greenish color. They calling it dark gray. I can see that. Okay, yeah, all right, dark gray. I was like trying to decide what color it was. Was it blue? Was it black? Was it green? I really couldn't tell, but dark gray, we'll go with that. I like the fit of this shirt. It's kind of loose, a little bit boxy, and I know I just got finished telling everybody about how rectangular I was, blah, 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 but I really love an oversized shirt because I can French tuck it or, play with other details of my outfit to create a waist. So I really love kind of a boxy shirt. It actually ends up flattering me more than you would imagine. I think it's in part because of the type of pants and things that I wear on the bottom half of my frame. Anyways, really comfortable, super soft. I love the way it drapes. What I don't like about this top is actually the detail on the back, that back detailing. I feel like this is very dated. It reminds me of something that came out in, 2015 or something. I don't know why these tops continue to persist to be so popular with people, but I'm just not a super fan, and so that alone turns me off and would make me not want to get it. But if you're interested and you like it, The price is $34 on this top, which for PAPERMOON, like I said, the quality is great. That is an excellent price. You'll have it for a really long time. Finally, I'm going to show you the Mark & Spruce Tatum high neck rib trim tank. That's a mouthful. Anyways, it's in this great black and white stripe. Feels very French girl chic. It hits right where I want it to be, not too high, not too low. I love that it kind of has a little bit of a racerback style back, not like terribly so. I need a bra that is convertible so that I can wear more of these style tops without my bra straps showing in the back, although really I don't care. Anyways, I just love a black and white stripe. This is the kind of stripe that I prefer, like a thinner stripe. I know in my last Stitch Fix video, I had a striped shirt that had chunky stripes on it, and I just didn't really love that. But I do love a thinner stripe like this. It just feels so, I don't know, cosmopolitan, I guess. And in the fall, when it gets a little cooler, I can throw Chanel style jacket over it, or a moto jacket over it, or a utility jacket over it, or any kind of jacket over it, and just make it just level it up just that much. And so I really love this top, and this is the one piece that I'm thinking about keeping. It is $38. Mark & Spruce is an in-house brand for Stitch Fix, but I find that their pieces tend to be pretty quality. And this one, you know, just feels really good. It's a nice weight even for summer, even though it is kind of a little bit of a sweater material. I'm looking at the materials here. It's a rayon poly spandex blend, sheen washable, lay flat to dry. Yeah, I really love the way this fits. I really love the weight of it, and I think it's going to be something that I can pull into my wardrobe throughout the year, so I can get a lot of usage out of it. And that's always a good thing. All right, folks, that is everything in this box. If I were to keep everything, they give you a 25% discount for keeping all 5 items. That would make my total $180, $150 plus tax, of course. But of course, I won't be keeping everything. I might keep that one shirt. I might send everything back because, like I said, I'm on a tight budget. I'm always on a tight budget. What am I talking about? Anyway, there is really no good reason for me to be having an unboxing, like specifically a clothing unboxing channel, because I am always on a budget, because life just comes at me fast all the time, and it's always super expensive. It's not just like little dramas that are just like, you need to tend to them. It's always big fat dramas that are like, oh, you need to pay us $2,500. Yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now. So hence the reason I'm a little reluctant to be spending money on clothing right now. But if I do keep anything out of this box, it will be that black and white shirt, because I just think it's so chic and so cute and so versatile, and I think I really do need it in my collection. I don't have anything, although I have, you know, stripes in my collection, obviously. I don't have anything striped like this. I'm obviously wearing stripes today, so. Anyways, that's the whole box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what piece was your favorite in the comments below. Let me know. Yeah, that's it. Just let me know that. That's enough. Let's not make this into a homework assignment here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you came this far, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, because obviously you saw something here that you liked, and I would love to have you as part of my community. We're fabulous, and so are you. All right, until the next video, live with love, you guys.